Welcome to the haunting village of Oradour-sur-Glane, a living testament to the horrors of war and a tribute to the resilience of the human spirit. This small village, nestled in the serene landscapes of the Haute-Vienne department in France, holds within its ruins a heart-breaking tale that unfolded during World War II, a tale that continues to echo through time. Imagine this. You approach the village and are immediately struck by the eerie silence that permeates the air. The remnants of a once vibrant community stand in solemn stillness. The burnout facades, the twisted metal of a child's bicycle, and the remnants of a car evoke a profound sense of loss and tragedy. Oradour-sur-Glane was a peaceful French village, brutally and senselessly destroyed on June 10, 1944, by a unit of the Waffen-SS. The village and its inhabitants were massacred, leaving behind a scarred landscape and an indelible mark on the collective memory of a nation. As you walk through the village, you're treading on hallowed ground. The church, where so many sought refuge, is a haunting reminder of the innocent lives lost. The walls bear witness to the terror that unfolded within its walls, a poignant reminder of the brutality of war. Amidst the ruins, you come across remnants of everyday life, frozen in time. A child's tricycle, a sewing machine, a pair of spectacles. These artifacts stand as silent witnesses to the lives abruptly disrupted, reminding us of the human stories behind the tragedy. At the heart of the village stands the Centre de la Mémoire d'Oradour-sur-Glane, a museum that preserves the memory of the massacre and the lives lost. The exhibit's personal belongings and harrowing testimonies offer a glimpse into the vibrant lives that once thrived here, abruptly cut short by the merciless act of war. Your visit to Oradour-sur-Glane is a journey through a dark chapter of history, a solemn exploration of the consequences of war, and a poignant call for remembrance, peace, and reconciliation. As you stand amidst the ruins, consider the mark you'll leave on the ongoing tapestry of time.